Hello everybody and a happy new year. Now the new year is going to begin with an exciting event. The return of Gainsborough's The Blue Boy to our shores. I'm sure that many of you are familiar with Gainsborough's most famous painting, but you may not realise that it normally lives in California in the Huntington collection in San Marino. The Blue Boy set sail for San Marino exactly 100 years ago this January, and very generously the Huntington collection have agreed to lend it to the National Gallery for a short period. It's going to be shown there alongside other famous works by Gainsborough between January and May of this year. Now I have a soft spot for the Blue Boy because I'm very lucky. I've been to the Huntington collection several times. Firstly, I went to a conference there, got into conversation with a librarian who suggested that I apply for a fellowship. I thought this was rather audacious, but believe it or not, I was awarded a fellowship and I went to the Huntington for around about a month between 2008 and 2009. And then miraculously, I got a second fellowship between 2018 and 2019, specifically to study the Huntington collection of Chelsea porcelain. Henry Edwards Huntington wanted the very best English porcelain to match his extremely impressive collection of 18th century English portraits. So with this in mind, and also the fact that I do know the Huntington collection extremely well, I thought that for January I would offer a series of lectures on these great American collections, particularly those around LA. So initially my first lecture will concentrate on the Huntington collection and particularly on Henry Edwards Huntington's fascination with English 18th century portraiture. The second in the series will be on the meanest millionaire. That's John Paul Getty, the creation of the Getty Villa and then the Getty Center, which is reputed to have cost over $1 billion. Getty had an eye for a bargain, but he was also incredibly mean. Legend has it that he really disliked his guests being able to use the telephone for free, and so he installed a payphone. And then the last of my trilogy is going to be on Norton Simon. Now Norton Simon is rather a glamorous figure because he would eventually marry the great Hollywood actress Jennifer Jones. But initially he made his money out of selling a rather interesting range of commodities. Initially orange juice, and then tomato juice, and then buying into Avis rental cars, and then finally Max Factor. He had a very good eye for art, and unlike Getty, was prepared to pay a lot of money for very good paintings, and his collection is now in Pasadena. So my three collections, the Huntington, the Getty and the Norton Simon, all have LA in common. They are all very much within the LA conurbation. So Malibu, the Getty Center, and then Pasadena for the Huntington collection and Norton Simon. Details of how to book these lectures now follows. So the first lecture will be delivered on Friday the 21st of January, live at 11 and then again at 7, and will concentrate on Gainsborough's The Blue Boy and the Huntington collection. The second one will be on Friday the 28th of January and will concentrate on Getty, the Getty Villa and the Getty Center. Will be delivered live at 11 and then again live at 7. And the last of my trilogy will be delivered on Friday the 4th of February at again 11 and then repeated at 7, and that will concentrate on the Norton Simon collection in Pasadena. You will find more details about the lectures and how to book on my website ann-anderson.com. I do hope that you can join me live, but if you are otherwise engaged or there is an issue with time differences, then please remember that all of my lectures are recorded and they can be purchased and watched in the comfort of your own home and whenever you wish to play them. Thank you very much for your time.